Good day, everyone, especially to our dearest professor, Mrs. Josephine Villamin. Thank you for your presence. This presentation that we prepared today is a discussion of our products' value proposition canvas and lean canvas. We also added a brief introduction about our company to give some background about us and to establish our reason and purpose as to why and how we come up with the product that we will be presenting. Our agendas for this presentation is to first introduce our company. Next is to give ideas on how did we come up with our logo. Next is to provide a brief information about our product. And for the next part is to introduce ourselves as founders of the company. Then the final parts will be discussing the value proposition canvas and lean canvas for the product. WS Incorporated is committed to provide effective and efficient ways of managing, monitoring, and ensuring the safety of people in the workplace. Through the means of modern technological methods, we strive to uphold the promise of delivering innovative systems that prioritizes safety through the means of enhanced monitoring methods that is convenient, fast, and reliable. This will be the value proposition canvas of the product that we envision to introduce. These two shapes represent the two main parts of the canvas. Value proposition in the leftward square part that covers the initial ways or functions that will address the concerns listed in the customer segment in the rightward circle part. They both will help set rules to fixate the market needs and how the product can best deliver. Now let's discuss the components in detail. First, let's start with the customer segments. This basically is the section designated for the customer profile. So the first one in the customer section that we will discuss is the customer jobs. These includes all the tasks that customers are trying to solve. The first one is safety on site. These devices, which in this case our product, the wearable belt sensor, could improve employees' health and safety whenever an accident occurs, and will ensure that construction management will be in utmost efficiency due to the product's technology. Next is prompt communication. Prompt communication, especially concerning safety, is particularly important in construction sites. A wearable device like our product can collect data from the site from each workers and instantly relay information to the proper individual responsible so that rapid response is available when some safety hazard happens and will lessen or ideally eradicate unwanted casualties just by having a platform for swift communication. The last one is having a modern monitoring device. Having a modern approach in monitoring worksite is something inevitable nowadays, as the world is on a rapid digitalization and through the means of technological innovations. And it is just right that the construction industry should change and adapt these concepts of modernization to integrate innovatively convenient and efficient technology that will drastically help our major concerns in construction. We will now proceed to discuss value proposition that maps out the product features, functionality, and benefits that attract customers and fulfill their needs from the circle. Our product, which is a wearable belt sensor, is a wearable device that serves as a monitoring system in a construction site, for instance. This belt sensor functions as a security alert system that will eliminate the absence of having an inefficient and fast way of communicating in the construction site, especially in the events of a security hazardous situation. We will now discuss the key metrics of the lean canvas. Sales revenue. Close monitoring your sales revenue will help to identify whether the sales target is reached or to see if the product is profitable for a certain duration. Next is the net profit margin. It is good for a company to calculate the monthly revenue as it shows if the business grows in terms of profit from sales. Customer satisfaction survey shows the percentage of the total customers who are satisfied with your service or products. Monthly website visit. It is a good indicator of the company's reputation to have monthly website visitors to check if more people hear or know about our product. Employee happiness. We all know that happy employees are also equal to good, productive employees. Maintaining a high level of satisfaction leads to a long-term commitment to the team and company. The next one that we will discuss is channels, or the path to interact with the customers. So the first one is partnership with multiple construction suppliers. Taking advantage of the platforms that the possible partnered suppliers will have will increase the popularity of the product in the industry. Website advertisement connecting to social media outlet. Presence in the online community is significant nowadays since everyone, when searching for a product, will probably check first online to find what they're looking for. Next is advertisement. As important as presence on the internet, having access to traditional advertisement platforms will also help reach a larger audience and potential customers. Next is providing an actual demonstration for potential customers is necessary as our product is new in the market, and having a demo can encourage customers as they will be able to see it firsthand and be encouraged to see whether our product is well suited for their workplace. A physical store will accommodate our customers as our product requires the customers to learn specific instructions to utilize the device, and face-to-face discussion is necessary for us to be able to teach them how our product is used. Next segment of the Lean Canvas, cost structure or the expenses that is necessary for us to run our business. Manufacturing cost is an important part in a successful design and manufacturing of a product. Advertisement cost is one kind of selling costs are designed to increase the demand for the firm's products by reaching a larger audience and potential customers of a product. Next is website development and maintenance cost. This refers to the cost of managing and maintaining the website of the company on the internet, salaries, and cost of human resources. This basically refers to the cost of running a company. And lastly, cost of operation. Operating costs are associated with the maintenance and administration of a business on a day-to-day basis. The last part of the Lean Canvas is the revenue streams. Direct selling. This refers to the revenues from one-time payment type of sales that includes physical product selling. Next is recurring revenue. Earnings from ongoing payments from the customers for continuing service or after-sales services that our company provides. Lastly, service revenue. Generated by providing additional service to customers and are calculated based on time. This can include services like repairs and maintenance. That would be all for our presentation about our companies, preferably our products' value proposition and Lean Canvas. Thank you very much for listening.